Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. Casey's laughing at me, I'm Jerri-ellen, and we're making wings today. Throwing it down. So what I say?
Bam!
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 Anyway, we gotta wash our chicken. I've been washing it with my handy dandy gloves. I already did this, but this is for the camera. And I'm gonna pat dry them. I got my oil heating up. We're double frying the wings, okay? How, pray tell, am I doing that? By frying them and then frying them again. Spread them out. Spread them out and dry them. Okay, now I am going to make the batter. We're going to make they're going to be really crispy, and the crispiness is going to last. They're not going to go soggy on you in a little while. Like, you can make them ahead of time, they'll still be crispy later. So, just going to take these off. In a bowl, this is half a cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch. You can use potato starch or cornstarch. That's going to give you a crispiness and lock in the juiciness. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And like a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay. I'm going to check the oil. I'll show you how you can check the oil case. Wooden spoon or chopsticks. The small bubbles mean, oh, they're starting. Small bubbles means it's the right temperature, because you want your oil to be at around 350. Okay?
Why the heck is it bubbling? I don't understand how it's not bubbling everywhere else if it's bubbling at
Well, because that's like something in it. It's going to bubble. Don't ask. I can't explain.
All right.
It's like when you put something in oil, it's going to start frying. Okay, so now we are going to coat our wings. Look at that, that's kind of funky looking.
Yeah, it's like a big, I think that wing got messed up when they were cutting it. All good. It looks like a giant wing. Good thing you're putting it in first. Probably take the longest to cook.
Yes, we're going to cook them for a few minutes and then take them out. Then put them back in for a second fry, and that really keeps them crispy. Okay, so the little bubbles are what we want. We don't want it to be like on crazy high heat.
Like exploding.
You know? Yeah, because then you can really cook up the outside and not the inside so much. You know what I mean? The first fry of them, and now we're going to put them into the second fry. I'm just trying to scoop out some of the bits out of the pot so that I don't end up with those bits in the oil.
That's a very good tip.
And also, Case, I'm not sure if I said, when you're putting them in, always put them away from you.
Okay.
Right? When you're dropping anything in oil, you lay it away from you.
Okay.
Okay? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's just been pimp tight, I'm saying. Pimp tight, I'm saying. See what I'm saying?
So we got the pizza ready.
Oh, I got another one in the oven.
And we got another one in the oven, and we will leave you should watch the pizza video if you haven't, like in the description, that'd be good.
Yeah, can you put a link in there?
In the description, yeah. Put a link to the pizza video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what I'm using, Casey, to get them out of there. So now we're going to put these in, and while these are doing their second fry, Casey will cut over to the GARPAR sauce that we made. And then we'll come back when we're ready to coat them all up.
Now we're going to go over all the ingredients are here for the dipping sauce. I have half a cup of mayonnaise. We have garlic here that I'm going to roast, mellow out the garlic, bring out its sweetness, and adds a lot of flavor to the sauce. So the ingredients are the 6 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of olive oil, half a cup of mayonnaise, teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese that's grated, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon and a wee bit more than that of lemon juice, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, a quarter of a teaspoon of dried oregano, a quarter of a teaspoon of dried basil, eighth of a teaspoon of dried thyme, and I'm gonna crack in some pepper.
Getting a new pair of gloves on. Time to get the goodness. Look at, take a shot of the, this is the sauce. Look at that.
What the heck?
Isn't it awesome looking?
It's very thick.
Yeah, well, it'll thin out on the wings.
Oh no, I like
It's a good dipping sauce.
Yeah.
Too. Like, it is great for pizzas, it's great for...
A lot of the time at like a wing place, if you get a sauce like that, they'll also sprinkle some sriracha over it.
Well, that's what I'm going to do.
Oh.
That's why I took the sriracha out.
Oh.
Okay. I'm going to mix these.
Want to tell the people a tip?
What? I forget what it was.
About how after the first time you cook it,
Oh, yeah. You know how you don't crowd a pan when you're cooking stuff? So the first round, you don't crowd the pan. But the second fry, you can throw them all in at once. Just let them cook all together and they can, you just move them around.
because that would save like a whole bunch of time.
Oh, yeah, yeah. The second fry, you don't, it's okay to put them all in. What does that look like?
Very good.
I'm going to try one.
I want to try one too.
Yeah, you can. So juicy inside.
It'd be funny if you ate that with a fork.
Yeah. I should get out the fork and knife.
Yeah, do that.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner. Okay, I'm gonna have one, so the camera's gonna get a little shaky.
Anywho, I gotta wash my hands. I'll wait till you finish eating your wing. Here.
Okay. Excited to edit this one?
Yeah. I'm excited for people to see the wing. Okay, guys. Keep a good heart. Peace. God bless. Love yous all.
Okay.
What are you saying, man? What are you talking about?
Here's what I'm
Rewind this
talking
for a
about.
minute. You're no whatever, man. What's going on here?